in the heart of Nigeria and beyond. Emir Muhammad Sanusi stands as a beacon of tradition, wisdom, and leadership. His profound dedication to promoting the rich heritage of the Northern Emirate is nothing short of inspiring. Emir Muhammad Sanusi II effortlessly bridges the gap between ancient customs and modern advancements. Ensuring that the beauty and depth of our tradition remains vibrant and respected in today's world. From his regal presence at home to his influential voice on international platforms, Emir Muhammad Sanusi II champions the values, artistry, and stories of our people with unwavering passion. His efforts to spotlight and preserve our cultural heritage have garnered admiration and respect globally, making him a revered figure not just within our communities but across